Internal Revenue Service IRS tax news. Interest rates remain the same for the fourth quarter of 2020. IR 2020-202, September 3rd, 2020. Washington. The Internal Revenue Service today announced that interest rates will remain the same for the calendar quarter beginning October 1st, 2020. The rates will be 3% for overpayment, 2% in the case of corporation, 0.5% for the portion of corporate overpayment exceeding $10,000, 3% for underpayments, and 5% for large corporate underpayments. Under the Internal Revenue Code, the rate of interest is determined on a quarterly basis. For taxpayers other than corporations, the overpayment and underpayment rate is the federal short-term rate plus 3 percentage points. Generally, in the case of a corporation, the underpayment rate is the federal short-term rate plus 3 percentage points, and the overpayment rate is the federal short-term rate plus 2 percentage points. The rate for large corporate underpayments is the federal short-term rate plus 5 percentage points. The rate on the portion of a corporate overpayment of tax exceeding $10,000 for a taxable period is the federal short-term rate plus 1/2 or 0.5 of a percentage point. The interest rates announced today are computed from the federal short-term rate determined during July 2020 to take effect August 1st, 2020, based on daily compounding. Revenue Ruling 2020-18, there's a link to that here, announcing the rates of interest is attached and will appear in the Internal Revenue Service in the Internal Revenue Bulletin 2020-39, dated September 21st, 2020.